drowsy, or I can't fall asleep.
Along the, he makes up his own rules.
Do you have any money saved up to go back to school? Do you have any thoughts on how you pay for it?
And there was another one. Look at this guy. What the fuck is going on here? Wow, just like that, huh?
That's smart.
Oh. And he's on his phone. Ooh, damn. This guy make a legal U-turn. This guy think he's special. Cuts everybody off. This guy don't use a signal and he cuts in. You know, like one of those. Oh my god. Really? Oh, no seatbelt and you're gonna make a U-turn illegally. No seatbelt and U-turn legally. How nice is that? The sooner the better, because they're gonna be like, oh well, you tested out. Ooh, that car cut him off. Wow. Wow.
Video protected.
Lawlessness. The hell?
Who visit participating hobby shops will receive a free pack of Topps trading cards. Isn't that cool?
That is. I had no idea what a response this card was going to get. My DMs blew